metaphor as hospital bed is perfect taxi by the Mediterranean road marks. From my perspective, this metaphor means that life is momentary rather than time, and if we stay the same place without doing anything, it will continue to run, and the consequence will come. Since we aren't enjoying the way when we are in spot hospital bed, we are not doing anything, we are simply waiting for the life to pass. The same happens while the man running, is the not working, is the parking, and in the time kept running. When was very young, my father had his illness, which they had heart transplant. I can't because it was no working time. They had to change it so I could be live. So I began to think I would do without my father and expect I love to think about everything in life. I didn't go to school or anything for 6 months, so it's listed without seeing my father. Any communication or anything. So in the time I was very alone and I didn't do anything, and my life kept on running since time goes on because of my father. The times of my loved one stop. So I decided to be more positive, and my father was healing little by little, very great, economic instability. So my brothers and were working and less than I could think what to do in future. If I just have to kill myself working or do what I like and I was looking for good what time I like it and is to be with my family and helping people with English problems. So in school I was good the most in English on the evaluations. I was doing super well, very well, and helped others. So I decided that my taxi was no longer parked and decided to follow the way the guides. I love now and go ahead because I study what I like and what other people to like or I do.